Hi, I'm Lidjia, Ramadan Kareem, and welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be making slow roasted leg of lamb. Perfect for Eid, wonderful for a big gathering and celebration. It's going to be amazing. You're not going to want to miss this. I have this amazing Australian leg of lamb on the bone. Look at that. Perfect. Beautiful for roasting. Let's start by making incisions into our leg of lamb. Put 1 clove of garlic into each incision. Next, massage the leg of lamb with the juice of a lemon and table salt, just enough to set the first coat. Do this patiently. I'm serious when I say that the massage is going to tenderize that meat. Rub and massage on all the other spices one at a time, starting with the cinnamon, then the nutmeg, the cumin, the cardamom, each spice as a layer. As you rub in the spice, it'll start to feel a little dry, so put a little olive oil in your hand and pat that leg. Finally, put a little olive oil on the leg and coat with oregano. Wrap tightly, and I mean wrap tightly with plastic wrap. Let marinate for at least 4 hours or overnight in the fridge. Next, we're ready to get that lamb roasting. First, take the lamb out of the fridge and let sit for an hour at room temperature. Don't forget to take off the plastic wrap. Preheat your oven to maximum, then cut your potatoes in thirds, peel your onions and carrots, and keep whole. Put the veggies on the bottom of the pan, add a little olive oil, salt, pepper, oregano, and lemon juice. Place the lamb on top and carefully add enough water to cover the vegetables at least halfway up. Now your pan goes in the oven uncovered for about 45 minutes. Take it out. Cook the other side for about 30 minutes, still uncovered. Remove the pan from the oven. Turn down the heat to about 180 degrees Celsius. Cover the pan well with foil and a lid if you have. If a lid doesn't fit, just use aluminum foil. Now, let the lamb cook for about 3 more hours. You'll want to check in about every hour or so. When done, remove the foil and let it cook for 20 more minutes. Once you remove the lamb from the oven, let it rest for 20 minutes. At this point, take out a little bit of liquid and place it into a pan. Bring it to a boil on the stove and let it reduce by half to make a nice thick gravy. Serve it straight out of your pan or plate onto a large serving platter. I love how it looks as is, rustic and bathing in its sauce. Now you're ready to feast. I'm going to take this to the table with my sauce on the side. Slow roasted Australian leg of lamb, perfect for Eid. You're going to love every bite. Succulent and divine. Certain.